The Tale of the Two Villages. Listen and practice. Let's start. Long ago, nestled in the mountains, were two villages. One was called Prosper, known for its wealth and beauty. The other village, called Harmony, was smaller and less wealthy, but it was known for the strong bonds between its people. Prosper was famous for its grand buildings and lush fields. Its villagers were skilled in trade and agriculture, and they rarely needed help from anyone. The people of Prosper prided themselves on their independence and wealth. They believed they were better than the people of Harmony, who lived simple lives. Harmony, though poor, was a place where everyone helped one another. If one family had extra food, they shared it with those in need. If someone's roof was broken, the villagers came together to fix it. While they had less, they always made sure that no one went hungry or without shelter. One summer, a great drought hit both villages. The rivers dried up, and crops began to fail. The people of Prosper were not worried at first because they had large storages of food and water. But as the drought continued, their supplies began to run low. The villagers, who had never needed each other before, started to argue. No one wanted to share what little they had left. Soon, people began hoarding food and water, thinking only of themselves. In contrast, the people of Harmony, who had little to begin with, gathered together. They pooled what resources they had and rationed them equally among the villagers. They dug deep wells, shared their tools, and worked together to find new ways to survive. Despite the hardship, no one in Harmony went hungry, and their spirits remained strong. Months passed, and the drought only worsened. Prosper, with all its wealth, was now in chaos. Their crops had withered, and their food supply was gone. The once proud villagers, who had thought they needed no one, were now desperate. One day, a group of villagers from Prosper decided to visit Harmony. When they arrived, they were surprised to see how peaceful the village was, despite the drought. They explained their situation and asked for help. The people of Harmony could have turned them away, but they didn't. Instead, they invited the villagers of Prosper to stay and share in what little they had. They taught them how to work together, how to share, and how to care for one another. Over time, the two villages became one. The people of Prosper learned the value of community and kindness, while the people of Harmony benefited from the skills and knowledge of their new neighbors. Together, they rebuilt a stronger, more united village. When the drought finally ended, the new village was not only surviving but thriving. The people celebrated together, knowing that they had learned the most important lesson of all. Moral, wealth and independence are valuable, but the true strength of a community lies in unity, cooperation, and kindness.